again with another video, man. Hey, it's Kang, man, from Kang's Kicks, man. Y'all holla at your boy, man. Mess with your boy, alright? I'm coming back to y'all again. I'm about to give y'all my third early look, alright? But before we get into all of this, man, you already know what I'm about to say, huh? Y'all been watching my videos? Hit that button for your boy, alright? Hey, man, before we get into this too, man, I gotta shout out a couple people, alright? I gotta show a love to my people, man. So, roll call right quick, alright? We got, It's Boat Kicks. We got Me and My Kicks. We got King 23 Kicks, alright? Which has a dope podcast, the SHPN, Sneakerhead Podcast Network. SHPN. Yeah, Soul Center. You know what I'm saying? Every Saturday, man. Y'all tune in. Y'all tap into that. Great content, alright? And also, my dude, Wise Soul, and my dude, Sneaker AJ, alright? So, look, man, let's get into this, man. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get the knife out. You know? We're going to get the big knife out. Bam. Let's get these things open, alright? Y'all know I love to do this, man. This is so enjoyable for your boy, man. I love this. Alright? Let's get these things out. Ooh. 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 Hey, before I pull these out real quick, man, let me take y'all back to 2009 one time, alright?
Allen for three. Yes! There we go. Ray Allen has tied Reggie Miller's record. Again, 2 weeks ago. Bad play by Brown as he lost it. Rondo sets it up. Here's Allen with a deep three. Yes! 2,561. And that is the end. Loose ball foul is called. Bynum and Perkins came together. The ovation continues for Ray Allen. Breaking Reggie's NBA career record. 2,561 from downtown. And here is Ray over to the Reggie congratulating each other. That's nice.
Market Square Arena, and I saw you in there three and a half hours before shooting. He says, that's how I wanted to pat my game. And I'm just so happy for him because this is one of the best guys. He's so humble. He's so giving. He's a great family man.
The Boston Celtics 27,
Celtics with a 27-20 lead on the Lakers.
NBA history was just made. With his last three-pointer, Ray Allen has broken the NBA's all-time records for career three-pointers made, breaking Reggie Miller's long-standing mark of 2,560. Would you please join the Celtics in congratulating the NBA's new all-time three-point king, number 20, Ray Allen!
With the hug of Reggie Miller, here's Ray again, coming over, along with 20 photographers and camera crew. An emotional moment here in Boston. The public address announcer, Eddie Palladino, with the announcement. And here's another look at the record breaker. Number 2,561. So Ray Allen has etched his name in NBA history by passing our own Reggie Miller as the league's.
So, y'all see that, man? Y'all see how that went right there? Isn't that, man? Look at it. Look at it. Pull these things up. Box. Damn. Win. Ooh. Damn. Woo! The Air Jordan 13 Lucky Greens. Alright? Man, did y'all see what Ray Allen was doing in those, man? Did y'all see it, man? He broke Reggie Miller's three-point shot record, man. That night with Kobe there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen his mom in attendance and everything, man. That was hard, man. Beautiful. Look at these things, man. They drop on Saturday on the 26th. Alright? Look at them. Look at them. Alright? A beautiful shoe. How hard is that? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and break these down for y'all. Alright? Air Jordan 13. All of them have a holographic bubble on it. Let's get that real close so y'all can see that. Alright? Also, on the bottom as well. Alright? Bam. All the 13s got real nice leather on them. Perforated holes right here. They got these holes on it. The leather on these is just, man, I love 13s. I really, really do. I mess with 13s so heavy, man. Like, I almost want all of the 13s. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I love 13s. I really, really do. I got a special type of love for 13s. All right, we got our Air Jordan right there. It says Jordan. The stitching on the right there on the toe. All right, we got a green Jumpman right here, right there on the tongue. So if y'all ain't figured it out, man, if y'all was getting ready to sleep on these, y'all better not sleep on these. Ray Allen broke the three-point record in the NBA wearing these. Okay? So, like, how could y'all sleep on these, man? How could y'all, like, not want these? Man, what a hard shoe. All right? You know, a lot of people don't know that that he had the black ones on. So I'm gonna show y'all those too. It's a black version of these too. I wish they would have dropped those so we could have had a whole pack. That would have been dope. That would have been very, 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 very dope in my opinion, man. Let me grab these out. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the box. I ain't get to do that. You hold that still. Right there. All right. Let's read it. Let's get into it. Colorway: white, lucky, green, black. All right. Man, what a nice shoe. Like, come on now, look at the box. You know all the 13s come in this box right here, which is a classic box, you know. Gotta love that. I love everything about the shoe, man. And coming back to y'all with a third early look like this is because, you know, I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get them, man. I be bricking sometimes. I'm not about to lie. I just do, you know. My sneakers app, y'all know how that go. I don't be winning no raffles, like ever, almost. So, you know what I mean? Check me out. Look at them. You know, one time, man, it's another look right there. Like, it's a nice shoe, all right? Yo, my name is Kang, yeah. Tell a friend, tell another friend. Tell your mama, your aunties, your cousins, they dog, they neighbor's cat, his partner, all of his cousins, man. Come up over here, man, and subscribe, man. I got some dope content, man, and I show love to my people, man, and I appreciate y'all, all right? Each and every time I appreciate each and every subscriber. If you watching this video right now, you subscribe with me, I'm going to appreciate you too, all right? Until next time, I'm out.